Alright guys, welcome back to the vlog, and today I am at Back of Ron shop and I will be painting the grill and doing a few little touch-ups to Panda. Looking at the lip, maybe a little dirty, but just the color from that to this, I want it to be the same. Okay, so I only have these two caps. Hopefully I can find some more later. We'll clean this up a little bit. The reason why you see me under the car is because it's wider now, so it made it a little bit lower. I hit some weird warped like pavement, and ever since I hit it, when I'm at a stoplight or at a drive-through or something, there's this rattling under the car. So it's really dirty under here, but I don't see anything touching anything. Nothing's really dented. Nothing, right? Nothing at all. Except for right here. So I checked this thing because this pipe is still the original pipe of the car. So it's all rusted out, and I have like holes in the back, like there. This whole pipe will be changed. But you hear that? Did you guys hear that? I've been hearing that. Oh, watch. I think I found it, and it's like right here. Look, that is like loud. So what? Oh, right there. That's what I hear. As you can see, these old like bushings to stop it from contacting are not working anymore. Also, these are bent. The plates should be like spaced out like this. They're actually touching. So the rub. Make it look, I'm pushing this one, right? And look at right there. See that? So when it's idling or whatever, that part right there is making this weird that noise, but like intensely that. It's like when I'm at the drive-thru or the stoplight, and I'm going to take that out right now. Oh shit, I'm stuck. Yeah, so before I paint this right here, I'm gonna fix that, and then if you guys can see, the previous owner painted like this part red, but they didn't really paint the caliper. I don't get it. And the brake pads, these are new brake pads, but this is like a, I don't know what it is, just the metal plate that goes to it. I don't know how this started chipping, but whatever. I'm just gonna paint these a different color other than red. Everyone has red, blue, there's yellow. Those three colors are kind of played out for me, so I want something different that will stand out with like the black of the car. The red and rust. And oh, it came out nice. So put this on after. Nice. Alright guys, if I'm not talking too much in this vlog, it's because there is a storm. Well, it looks nicer now, but it's hella windy. It rained earlier today, so me and Juan are also working pretty quick on our cars. We're just listening to music. So if you guys see a lot of time lapsing, you know why. And he's been busy on his 240 right here. Not that one, this one. So I've been taking it apart, taking out all the old hoses. He's gonna took out the water pump right there. You want to make this thing look nice, you guys. Don't sleep on them. Damn, I can't wait till that's finished. That's what I said about this. Now it looks beast. Not right now, but it's gonna look beast. You guys, check this out just real quick before I start on the brakes. This plate right here, the other top part, look, it's not even connected. This is legit all in here. See, look, it's this whole plate on top right there. So I'm gonna take off this plate, this heat shield, and take off this heat shield. And I should be fine until I get a new exhaust, because that thing is hella loud. And on the back side, it's touching these threads right here. That thing that I'm touching right there. So I bent this so it doesn't touch, but it doesn't matter now because like it's not even connected to this bolt right here. Oh wow. And Jesus, this will come out. There we go. Whew. These two things that holds it in to go to that one. Those two things completely broke. That crack has a crack right there that was also vibrating, and you can see the cutout was completely broke. So even if I tighten it or whatever, wouldn't have worked. And it had a crack inside the crack. What kind of shit is that? So these are definitely going in the trash. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna clean myself up a little bit, clean out all the tools, scuff up the brakes, scuff them up a little bit. I'm gonna do the same thing I did with the front grille and sand it a little bit before I paint it and be done. I'm gonna mask all this off. I'm not gonna take it off and get all detailed with it because I will be changing these in the future and maybe get some bigger rotors as well. Jeez, it's super bright. Anyways, I'm using white for my brakes and then the actual white paint. This is the white primer. I masked it off. So it's like Frankenstein under here, but at the same time, like I had to really scrape deep to get off that other crap. I sanded it, it's all really smooth, so like I said, it's not gonna be perfect, but hopefully it looks good. Before you guys start roasting, I did this side a whole lot better. So now, I already sanded it. Let's get it primered. Okay guys, everything is on. I'm just waiting for it to dry. Check the other side real quick. Look at, this is gonna be nice. Where is that? Where is it at? Oh yeah, that's gonna be nice. Before I put everything back together on the car, I'm just gonna wait for this to dry and I'm gonna help Juan out for a bit. See you guys. Hey guys, while I was waiting for the paint to dry, I found this thing sitting in a spot. That shouldn't even be a spot. Wait. It was. You see that dark void? It was in there. So this could have been another reason why the car would be rattling when I would be at a stoplight or drive-through, whatever. This had to be in there so long. You guys know I worked on the engine, but at the same time, I never dropped the bolt in there. Like, I know for a fact, because I was like, what did this design bolt go to? Like, I have nothing in there missing bolts, so, but this is like hella old. So yeah, don't forget to check your bolts, you guys. Or not even check your bolts, just check everything. Shit, that's scary. Damn, this side is all dry and shiny. So I'm gonna unmask it and put the wheel on and see how it looks. Y'all can't tell me that don't look nice. Look at that. Yeah. The lip and the grill match. And it looks. Ooh, look at this. Oh, that shit is nice. Alright, let's go to the other side. Check these calibers out real quick. Ooh. Bruh, look. That white matte helps complement this. Look, look, look. Y'all see what I'm talking about? You know that shit is nice. Alright, so since I was working on the front end, I did get something in the mail. Let me just show you guys real quick. So I got this package right here. And then I also got this package right here. They're two small things that will help the car look a lot better. But one of them I'm going to hold off on. It's not easy opening this with one hand, but this is the two seals. And these rubber seals right here are the Honda like trim seals, you know, accessory seals. And what this is going to go on is right in between here to give the car a way better, cleaner look and hide any imperfections. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that. See how it kind of slightly comes out and goes in, like right here, very small though, but it sits right in between right here. Got a bleed. Let's see. I really wrap this with just strictly bubble wrap and tape. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Now, I know you guys are wondering what this is. So what this is, oh damn. Look, look. Oh, what the fuck? So these are LED lights for the Honda S2K, and I'm gonna put these on right there. So these are actually a little bit bigger than I thought they would be. But we'll see what I come up with later. It looks like I'm gonna save these for another video, so you got a little sneak peek of what I will be working on. The reason why I'm not doing any cutting or painting right now, because I'm still waiting on the rib nuts. So until I get those rib nuts, I kind of want to take the kit on and off and, like, you know, lose any more bolts and screws. And that's I already lost one right here, and then I lost these two right here. So I definitely need to get the rib nuts soon because I don't want to lose like anymore. That's part of the reason why I haven't taken it off and painted this yet. I don't want to paint on the car, so I want to be able to take it off and paint it right, temporary paint until I actually find a day to paint the whole entire car. But until then, I'm just gonna like paint this corner panel to match the side skirt and the front. But that is it for today's video, guys. I'm tired, I'm hungry, I need to clean up. If you guys like what I did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. And Panda, don't forget to follow his IG because he has been updating like crazy. He's going dumb over there. So see you guys later.